my name is Julietta X, and I recently made a music video for my cover of Cinderella by Deco27. To make this music video, I used two programs, Clip Studio Paint and After Effects. I started off by studying the official music video and breaking it down into parts. These parts consist of the animated lyrics, the logo, the illustration, the reflective light animation on the glasses, and the background color. Let's start with the animated lyrics. Deco27 actually has some official animated lyrics that they have uploaded to their website. So first, let's go to their website, otoiro.co.jp/special. Then, scroll down to the bottom. You should see a list of Deco27 songs. Find Cinderella and then download the lyric video. You should get two lyric animation files. One will go behind the illustration and one will go on top of it. After sandwiching the illustration like so, key the green screen part out, then you're done. Next, the logo. I couldn't find a clean transparent PNG version of the logo, so I manually removed the background of a non-transparent version. I also cleaned it up so it looks like it's normal and not crunchy. And as for the animation, I just used keyframes. The illustration. I pretty much just followed the illustration in the original music video, but I didn't like that it was 100% static, so I started to draw a rough draft to plan out the expressions I would need. Then I drew the changeable features separate from each other, like the eyes, mouth, the blush, the pupils, and I saved each expression as separate illustrations. I did that instead of exporting all the changeable features separately because I feel like it's easier to not have to keep track of all the little parts and keying all of them in. After that, I lined them up on the After Effects timeline like I'm lining up animation cells. The reflective light animation on the glasses. I divided the animation into three parts, the glasses frame and the two lenses colored in white. I put the lenses below the glasses and set them at 0% opacity when there is no light reflection. Then, I used keyframing and masking to change the shape of the light reflection, resulting in this animation, the background color. The reason I decided on this last is because it's something that takes up most of the video, right? So I needed to make sure it goes well with the other finished products. And that's how I made my music video. I have some of the assets I made on sale on my Ko-fi for $2 or if you are a $10 and up patron, you could also access it for free. It includes the logo bouncing animation in the intro and the glasses reflective light animation. I'm still a newbie when it comes to making music videos, but it's really fun to figure things out. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I also stream as a VTuber. I stream art and games for the most part, but I do want to change it up and steer to streaming more of my interests. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care and have a great day.